Kaden, you gotta pray. Go ahead, pray. Pray. Louder! I can't hear you.
Right now, you are now tuned in. Pen Griffey, I'm still going there. Who is he?
What is up to the gang? What is up to the Misty Squad? I am back with another motherfreaking video. And in today's video, as y'all see by the title, y'all already know what's about to happen. I'm about to be doing a prank on my nephew. I don't think I ever pranked him before. No, I haven't pranked him before. But Tyler's in on it. He's right over here.
Hi.
People been asking for Tyler on my channel and stuff, because when I be going live, they be like, where's Tyler? Well, Tyler's right there. He's in on this prank, but I don't know if he's gonna like participate, but he's in on it. And we about to just be like, oh, it's a tornado and stuff on my nephew. Hopefully he believes it. Sometimes he just believes stuff, so but yeah, yo, so we about to prank him. I'm about to go set up the cameras and stuff, and yeah, I'm about to go get him. So y'all stay tuned, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if y'all like videos like this, and subscribe if you're new. Hit the post notification button, and let's get it. I'm a little bit tired, but you know I'm still doing a video. Let's go, let's get it. It's a party. Are you ready to party? You see the cameras? One's right there, one's right there. Because it's a party, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm about to turn on the music, you know. We all gotta close our eyes. One. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. One. Two. Three. Alright. I'm gonna put on the song. You wake me up inside like the 4th of July. You know that song, singing in the shower. La da dee, la da da, la da. Hold on. What's that on this? Yeah.
Oh, my gosh. I'm just sitting down.
What is that?
Imagine
You know what that is?
that's not what it is. A tornado. It gets shelter right now. It gets shelter right now.
Kaden, it's not a joke. This is serious. You gotta go get your dad. Kaden. Tyler, go under there. Kaden, where are you going? Where you going? No, Kaden, you gotta put these in your mouth. You gotta put these in your mouth. Here. Here, put them in your mouth. This will help. So, Kaden, it's not a joke. Stop laughing.
Okay, Kaden,
Kaden, stop laughing.
Central Daylight Time at 7:50
Put it in your mouth.
Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm.
You gotta make sure you try and close it. Try and close it. Close it.
7 miles north of Belton.
Don't swallow. Wait, come here. You gotta put this on your hand. You gotta put the two.
Tornado is
Kaden, stop. It's not a joke. I gotta put some
radar
two.
indicated rotation.
I don't know if it's on
The
you.
rain will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Okay.
Damaged roofs, windows,
So you're
and
safe
vehicles
now.
will occur. Damage is likely. This dangerous.
Alright, Kaden, you gotta. Kaden!
Redstone Hospital in Alabama. And
Tyler's safe. He's up. No, there's no shelter for you. So we have to do.
Hospital in Alabama.
Tyler's safe. He's up. No, there's no shelter for you. So we have to do the dance. There's a dance that you gotta do. Cause I don't know what's about to happen. We about to all die. We about to all die. We gotta turn off all the lights. Kaden, turn off that switch. Turn off that switch. Turn it up. Hurry up! Okay. Now that you got the cotton in your mouth, but you got the toothpaste on your head, we gotta pray. Kaden, you gotta pray. Go ahead, pray. Pray. Louder! I can't hear you. Now you gotta do the dance. That's it. The dance goes like this. Do it. Do it. You gotta do it. No. You're gonna die, kitty. You're gonna die. Kaden, you gotta do it. Go like this. You gotta put your foot like this, and you gotta do it like this. Okay. Now we can die any second. In tornadoes, you know you can die, right? You know you can die any second. There's cameras because I want to record it because if we do die, we'll be like it'll be like memories that people could post on YouTube so kids like you can see it. Cause I know you're curious. You're a curious kid. Now you gotta do the dance right. Put your feet like this at first. Come over here. Put your feet like that. And then you gotta go like this. Why do it? No. Yes. Praise the Lord. Now say it. Praise the Lord. Keep saying it. Praise the Lord. 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 Praise the No! Do not turn on the light, Kaden. If you turn on the light, we're gonna die. Kaden, why did you turn on the light? Turn it off. Tyler's dead. Kaden, oh my God, Tyler really died. Get up. Wipe it on your clothes, fool. Oh my God, now you really do look like an idiot. Okay, then we gotta go wash this off in the bathroom. Come on. Unscrub it up. Get it off. No, not on your clothes. Huh? Huh? It's in the living room. You gotta wash that off your hair. So we got him. We got him. We got him. And you know who was a part of this prank? Tyler. Some people been asking for you when I was live. So it seems like people like you on my channel.
Hi guys.
I'm dead. But we got him. He had to wash that stuff off his face. I can't believe he really put that stuff in his mouth. Yeah, y'all, so we got him. Hopefully y'all liked this video. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below y'all thoughts. Comment down below more pranks y'all want to see. And Kaden, how are you feeling, huh? How are you feeling?
Great.
You're still feeling great after you just got pranked?
Yeah.
Okay, well y'all, I'm tired, so I'm about to end this video and edit this tomorrow and stuff. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Comment down more videos y'all want to see, and I'll be back with another motherfucking video. Stay tuned to my channel and say bye, Tyler.
Bye.
Kaden, say bye.
Bye.
Peace.
Little nigga, I'ma stay wild.